In this video, we'll explore how a simple architectural sketch can be transformed into a cinematic presentation film step by step. Using different tools within Archifruits AI, we'll follow the entire process from a hand-drawn concept to a compelling architectural film. Let's get started. First, we use the Sketch to Render engine. This module analyzes architectural sketches and concept drawings, transforming them into realistic architectural visualizations. Within minutes, the original sketch evolves into a detailed render, enriched with materials, lighting, and architectural elements. The render gives us a strong foundation, while we want to take it a step further. That's where Crystal Enhance comes in. This module not only improves image quality and sharpens details, but also allows us to transform the overall mood of the scene using atmosphere presets. By experimenting with different lighting conditions and ambiances, we can explore multiple interpretations of the same project. For the final stage, we use the Architectural Film Screenwriter. We simply upload a single reference image, and the system analyzes it to generate alternative camera angles, cinematic sequences, and the complete visual narrative. Using a Gemini-generated script optimized for Kling, the project evolves beyond the static image and becomes a professional architectural film. With dynamic viewpoints, cinematic camera movements, and seamless transitions, this workflow makes it possible to create a compelling architectural story from a single render.